GreenX is created specifically for the green leadership, the green boardrooms. It's an equal leadership standard for the leaders who think that green is glamorous and that's who they are. GreenX is created to provide the clear, actionable steps to guide the companies towards the carbon neutrality, a responsible sourcing, circular economy based resource management, and ethical business practices. So we consume OTT channels, fast fashion, but what public is unaware that one film have a carbon footprint of more than 1,000 metric tons. We consume a lot of TV serials, and one episode of less than an hour is responsible for about 100 metric tons of carbon dioxide emissions per episode. And I'm talking about 1 hour scripted dramas. And unscripted shows is having a little bit less carbon footprint. That's about 15 to 20 metric tons per episode. And this kind of research is already published. It's not something new that we are talking about. And other than that, the fashion sector needs various kind of textiles, and there is consumption is quite high there. We know that textile dye alone account for about 20% of world's water pollution. So here there are various challenges. Realizing these challenges, even if film production house or a fashion event in India, if they want to go carbon neutral, or even say sports even want to go carbon neutral or circular, they may not know that how and where to start from. And here the leadership is paramount. GreenX provides the pathway and certification empowers them, empowers film production houses, media houses, OTT channels, and fashion hubs, and related businesses in their value chain to drive real change. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. So sustainability isn't just a corporate obligation, it's a survival. Business prioritizing ESG initiatives outperform competitors by 5 to 8% annually. GreenX boosts brand credibility, investor confidence, and compliance under ESG framework. It also helps companies to reduce their cost, access green incentives, and lead sustainability efforts. So I think it's worth having a GreenX certification in new areas like film production, then OTT channels and all, where India still need to make a mark. Yeah. So we think that the film production houses, media and OTT channels, fashion and sports, hospitality sector are the primary sectors to adopt GreenX. These industries should adopt GreenX to make a start for their green transition. Every sector has an impact and the power to change, from reducing greenhouse gas emissions or greening the boardrooms. GreenX ensures sustainability is measurable, achievable, and transparent for all.